The average American will consume close to 18,000 chicken wings in their lifetime. And over the last 58 years, from the time that this style of wing was first served at the Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York, through today, restaurants and pubs across America claim that they have the best wings in town. As far as the grill setup, we're at indirect heat. This has been preheating now for 10 minutes. We want to maintain a temp between 275 and 300. So we'll go ahead and get these wings on. We'll just put these on naked. We're gonna actually hold off and wait to put the sauce on. We'll want to go ahead and put these wood chunks on too. Today we're using applewood. I think that will pair real well with the mango habanero. Actually, I know I've had these before. They're great. They're great. So I wanted to share this recipe with you guys. The applewood with mango habanero sauce. So we'll maintain this at about 300 degrees. We'll check back in about 15 or 20 minutes. We'll give these a flip and see where we're at. So these have been on for about 20 minutes now. We'll go ahead and get them flipped. You can see them smoking nice, that applewood putting a nice color to them. If you guys can't find the wings fresh, you can actually just get the frozen ones. I've used those before, but I was able to find these fresh. And so I'm cooking those today. And if you guys don't have a kettle grill, don't feel like you can't make these. If you have a square grill on your back patio, go ahead and use that. All you need is some flame, some wood, and some chicken. So what we'll do, we'll get a probe in these now. We're gonna wanna cook these to about 125 or 130, and then we'll get the sauce on. The idea behind that, we want as much fat dripping off these wings and then have a real nice bond with the sauce that we put on. So we'll check back on these and get some sauce on. So we're at our 130 degree mark and those are looking real good. What we'll do, we'll get the sauce in a bowl and then we'll just get these wings off into the bowl and give them a shake. So probably put half the bottle of the sauce in. Those are looking good. Nice smoke. If you guys wanted to, you could probably take these off now, put them in a crock pot. I think that would be good, but we're just gonna finish smoking them here once we get this evenly coated. Get these back on there. Yeah, these look good. All right. So we'll get that probe back in there. We'll cook these to 165 degrees and we'll take a look at them. So, man, they're looking good. Might want to add some more wood chunks here in a little bit. It's kind of dying off a little bit, but we'll cook these to 165. We'll take a look at them. So these are at 165 degrees. go ahead and get these off here. Wow, those look good. Man, those actually look real good. You can see the nice color they have from the applewood smoke and the mango. The sauce isn't dripping off. The sauce is actually caked on there. So really like that. Those look good. So it looks like we got what we want. Let's enjoy it.